Hi everyone, my name is Lyra, and today I would like to take you through the business process of a software development and installation company with multiple teams. The idea for this video is to show you how Zoho applications can streamline several business processes. Before we get into it, here's a bit of background. The organisation has a team of 20 employees managing sales, accounting, project implementation, and customer service. The sales process starts with lead generation from various sources, the majority of leads coming from the company website, conferences, and existing customers, also known as referrals. Once these leads are added to the system, the sales executive sends a welcome email. After that, the sales team schedules a call to understand the customer's requirements better. If the customer is not interested in the service or finds that it's not what they're looking for, their contact information is saved in the database for future reference. If the customer is interested in the service offered, a demo is then scheduled to showcase the product. At the same time, a sales meeting is arranged to go over the pricing and contract terms. If the customer agrees to the terms, the deal is closed as won, and if the customer doesn't agree, the deal will be closed as lost. After a deal is won, an invoice is raised and payment is received. This then ends the financial part of the process. The project management part now begins. The project management team starts working to provide the customer with any necessary hardware or software that they require. They'll also provide any training that the client needs. If the client faces an issue, the customer service team comes into play. The client can raise a support request through various channels such as direct phone call, email, or even social media. Once a request is raised, a support technician is assigned to handle the customer's case. If it is a known issue or a frequently asked question, the technician can easily share a knowledge base article to assist the customer. If the issue is more complex, the technician can resolve it through email, a phone call, or even by remote support. So now that you understand how our hypothetical software development and implementation company works, I'd like to introduce Raj, who will talk about how Zoho's apps all come together to handle these processes.
Thanks, Lyra, for sharing those business details. Let me jump into the solution and show you how Zoho applications can assist in managing each process of this organization. For managing sales operations, we can use Zoho CRM. It acts as a centralized database to manage lead and customer information. It has a built-in feature that allows you to engage with your customers continually and handle your entire sales process. In the Leads module in Zoho CRM, we have a lead source field that helps us to identify the source of each generated lead. You can also set up reports in this module to get insights on the source that's giving you the most leads. To handle the lead qualification process, we can use the Deals module in Zoho CRM. The sales pipeline helps sales executives nurture each lead and close deals successfully. For managing your accounting operations, we have Zoho Books. Books is our accounting software designed to manage all your business finances. There is a native integration between Zoho CRM and Zoho Books through which you can raise an invoice or estimate as soon as a deal is won. We can also integrate Books with different payment gateways to collect online payments. For service implementations, there's Zoho Projects. With Zoho Projects, we can divide the implementation process into milestones. Within each milestone, we can allocate tasks to users and easily track their status. It also has a mobile application to provide you updates about ongoing discussions, tasks, common threads, and more. For managing customer service, Zoho Desk comes into play. In Zoho Desk, you can receive a service request through different channels such as email, web form, chat, calls, and social media. You can set up a service level agreement to offer support that complies with the predefined business regulations or contract agreement with your customers. This is an integrated business flow where all the operations we discussed so far are merged into one unified process. Similarly, the applications supporting these operations can be integrated for optimal data synchronization. All these applications are available on their own, or you can get them as a bundle in Zoho One. Apart from this, we also offer bundles specific to sales, marketing, finance, operations, and more. I hope that this helps you understand more about what software options are available to assist you in managing your entire business process.
Thanks for that, Raj. We hope this was useful for you to understand how Zoho's products can be aligned based on any business process. And remember, it's never too late to streamline your own processes with automation. If you'd like our team to take a look at your business and come up with a similar plan, just send us a request using the link in the description below. That's all from me. It's bye for now.